that Devin just missed most of. There we go. All right, we're on. So, we're almost making it here. One more time. What's the line in the middle mean? Given. So I was doing the probability they rode the bus given I knew it was somebody that wasn't wearing a coat. And we had just figured out that to be successful, we need a bus wearer that doesn't have a coat on. And by going and getting a BN out of our tree, we found out it was .025. Now here's the tricky part. On the bottom, I can only choose from the people who don't have coats on. How do I find those people? What do I get there from?
Add all the ends together.
Okay, add all the ends together where?
In the middle.
Do I add these ends up here on the branches, like the .4, the .25, the .1? Do I add those ends, or do I add them? Yeah. You have to be adding the driving non-coat wearers, the bus non-coat wearers. You need to add the numbers across the bottom. You will not ever add the numbers up on the branches. That's a no-no. It just doesn't mathematically work right. Yeah, your probability won't come out right. So you're going to add, along the bottom here, we're going to add up all the ends. So I need a .34 plus a .025 plus a .005. Wow. I don't suppose anybody with lightning fast fingers has that calculated because we
334.
Because that's going to be .37, isn't it?
I haven't added in my calculator.
I think the bottom's going to be .37.
First one's 3, I know that. .03.
So, but I need somebody. Oh, I got a calculator. Never mind.
.067.
The whole thing? Okay.
Point.
I think 067.
Whoa, the .34. That definitely shouldn't be right. Lady?
The what?
There's a .34 right there.
Yeah.
So it shouldn't be a 067, right?
This is what you got when you divide it.
Oh, okay.
He did the whole thing. It's not just the bottom, but he's divided the whole.
Yeah,
The whole thing. Yeah. Actually, it'd be .067. We're going to go 3 significant digits, so 0676. We go 3 significant digits. But so in other words, move that decimal 2 places, a little over a 6% chance, almost maybe close to a 7% chance that you are going to get, if somebody's not wearing a coat, chance that they were a bus rider. Okay, now what I want you to notice is there was a word in the original problem that often gives away when you have a conditional situation. Yes. Yeah. I said, if a student who's not wearing a coat, so boom, right there. If you pick that stuff, that is typically, occasionally you can phrase them without using the word if, but most of the time the word if will be in there, and that's your condition, that's your known fact. If this happens, then find a certain probability. As for a general formula for this, basically all you have to do, they usually write is the probability of A given B. What did we do here?
You put the known.
On the top, to be successful, it has to be the probability of both things. It has to be the probability of an A and a B. On the bottom, you only have to choose from to be your total outcomes has to be the B's, the things, the known facts you had. So that's always your formula for a conditional probability situation. Thanks. I continue working these problems is my concern.
No. I just got the journal there.
So, I should do another example?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want a whole new tree, or you want me to just ask another question off this tree?
Whole new tree.
A whole new tree. All right, what else have I got here? Okay, we want to be fast, though, here, because I want to talk to you about the test, too.
Do that instead.
No, we want to know the tree.
No, we don't have time for that. Did the other class do an example?
Do another example? I did another example off that tree. I didn't have time to do a whole new tree.
Did the other class do an example?
Did they do an example?
Another one.
A totally new tree? No, they did not do a totally new tree.
That is the same thing we did.
Yeah, well, different numbers. We used, they created theirs slightly differently.
Put both of them on there.
Actually, here, let me ask you this. We'll just make it up as we go. Senior, junior, sophomore. We'll just do senior, junior, sophomore. We'll assume no freshmen are coming to the prom.
Nope.
What percentage of seniors are coming to the prom?
90. Probably 90.
Let's go 90. I want nice round numbers to make this fast. What percentage of juniors are coming to the prom? 70? 80? Okay, what percentage of sophomores are coming? 20? All right. Okay, so I want to split it off. The seniors could come in a car or...
A van.
Let's just do car or other vehicle.
Fire truck. Van.
Well, that's just it. It could be lots of other things. So not truck. We're going to do car or other. Okay, so we got car or other here. And so if I tell you that the seniors, 60% of them are coming in a car, then how many are coming in something else? 40. Okay, and if I tell you that 70% of the juniors are coming in a car, that's going to be 30% are not. And if I tell you that 90% of sophomores are coming in a car, that means 10% are not. Okay.
Hey, isn't the top supposed to equal 100?
Oh, yeah, it is. What in the heck did I do? That doesn't work, huh?
Change the sophomores to 10%.
Yeah, sorry. That's got to be out of the whole prom. Yikes. So, the whole thing, what percentage of the prom goers are seniors? Probably.
75%.
Oh, no, there's more balance than that. It'd be more equal than that. Like maybe 50% of everybody coming is a senior, 40% of those coming are juniors, 10% are sophomores?
There you go.
That works. All right. What's the first thing you should do?
How many students?
Times all your numbers across the bottom. Just get it done. So 0.5 times 0.6, it's going to be 0.3. 0.2, I'm just multiplying. 0.28, 0.12, 0.09, and 0.01. And that should add up to 100%. Okay, I'm going to cut right to the chase. What is the probability of selecting a junior if someone in a car is selected who came in a car? Is this conditional, and how do you know?
Yes, it says
If. Okay. I expect to see this in symbols. So which one comes first?
it should be.
The front part's the probability you want. The back part's what you know. So do you know it's a junior, or do you know they came in a car? Do you know they came in a car? And the question is, what is the probability of selecting a junior? So probability is junior. Now, how do you calculate it? What goes on top? It's the probability of, I want letters first. To be successful, it has to be a junior and they came in a car. Over who are all the people I can pick from? The car people. It has to be somebody who came in a car. So then if you come up to your tree, what's a JC out of the tree? 0.28. And then I have to get all the car people across the bottom. And add or multiply. Because it's the senior car people, which is 0.3, plus the junior car people, put 0.28. Or it could be the sophomore car people, which is 0.09. Okay, so that's going to be, you say 0.67? 0.58, yep. So 0.28 divided by 0.67, or 28 divided by 67. That'd be about 0.418 approximately. So you got a 41.8% chance that you're going to select a junior if you pick somebody who came in a car. That's what I read, sort of.
We'll make it.
And my next door, I got a stack over there, it's kind of stored it all over, I'll put it with it.
You want this back up in your hand?
We got logged out today.
So these are the two most voted license principles. That's all they're on. If you're one.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Okay, I did. Yeah, I really do. Are you sure you really want to run that?
Yeah, if you want.
Yeah, I really do. Yeah, we got a little copy that I just got in the email, I sent it all on.
Yeah. Well, I finally got security conscious and changed my passwords to different websites, places where I buy a lot, and I have let them steal my credit card, and not supposed to have the same password.
Yeah.
That's the big one. Now, what I said Amazon at? No, what I said.
Yeah, I was.
You gotta write them all down.
I had to
I
write
do,
mine down.
but I don't, if I'm not home, if I'm doing something on my phone or whatever, I'm going, did I find anything? And all I do have them all written down, but,
You don't make them all the same?
that is no for security, cause if they break your code on one, then they can go stick it into all those other places, so you're not,
Gotcha.
certain ones, you're not, particularly like PayPal, so anything that involves has your credit card information, you're supposed to keep them different.
Remember they did quickly.
And I finally did it and separated them all. Finally, I'm almost there. I'm trying to do things.
She said I had to ask if they were good when they were supposed to be coming off the 26th of February.
Yeah.
Taking a while. There you are.
Oh, well, we just got to.
What'd you say? Must be cool if you take those. Yeah.
Everybody just so thrilled to, this is the handheld. It came with a prom kit, like, 3 years ago, whatever we made, something, but it was a real big one. I kind of like, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I need to get one more ready for you.
Driving bad.
It
Totally just worked out a lot that first prom night. I realized, hey, I'm supposed to.
I'm 40%. Yeah.
I know it was that one time before.
I have, actually, I was thinking about. Well, at the moment, sitting there, I don't have any, she graded more today, I'll have to look later, I probably have more grades to put in that will help me take care of it.
Okay.
I should have put the right answers in that one. I think it's word right.
That, oh, okay, so question, how do you have the right work and not the right answer?
I wasn't sure about equal roads, third one,
Oh, okay.
and then, wasn't sure about that. You went after that, anyway, would you?
I was somewhere. Oh,
Look at
no, stop. I just about printed until I got stopped.
Did you get our test graded? Up in snow? I guess you were here late decorating.
I was here late decorating and, I was working on my spreadsheet, which will be done.
I'm worried about
I
that.
need another half hour on my spreadsheet.
Yeah. Sorry about that. Okay.
Oh, that was lovely. I just drink all that.
Here.
But okay. Congratulations, you won it for me.
The new one wasn't 5 pages, it's only one.
Usually it's like a whole class. Cause I wasn't paying attention.
How does it feel?
Like I wasted paper.
It's okay.
Kill with innocent trees, Miss Meyer.
That's right.
Did you know it takes more energy to recycle paper and more just
I'll put it in the box for you.
necessary trees?
Very.
I heard that from someone, I don't remember who.
John just stay with my right order and pull in.
That would be absolutely lovely, yeah.
And just
Okay. Like I say, yeah, let me go back.
Oh, yeah, press mine off.
Yeah, well, I was just, I just accidentally printed the entire class.
Okay.
I mean, it wasn't as good as last time.
No, it wasn't, well, this is, I won't lie to you, this was a tough test. Very simple.
It wasn't as tough as this.
Excellent. We like to hear that.
Alright, I know you're probably gonna ask this by a lot of people. Where'd you get this picture?
It came with a prom picture.
So good, man.
Yeah, I remember when I was a kid, stores had these, and they always stapled your sack shut when you bought something at the clothing store or whatever, and they always grabbed these kind of things they stapled. So I don't think magazines that
Fancy?
unique and original. They are kind of handy when you just want to rip a paper.
They don't listen to non-papers nowadays.
No, you gotta make sure you got it going right up. But,
Oh, no, that's worth the state.
We haven't signed it, right?
oh, did you take?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I already folded it up, put them in the.
Are you looking at who I have a check number? That's why I have that picture.
My best friend told me.
Vertically doable
What?
possibility.
Oh, what? This?
So you can get that if you can take with that newspaper. That can help substantially. That's right, I put the number to it, that's a checking that I think you can easily change. Cause all of you have invoices.
How cheesy.
So cheesy, so cheesy.
You wanna do the final test? The very little last three tests you want. You'll have the professor test, the newspaper, and the test on Thursday. And homework test. You have the portfolio yet. You won't delve to a reading about grades, you won't do that right now. I even say slightly number possibilities, but I'll let you know that.
Mrs. Meyer.
The newspaper being 200 points.
Who are you?
What do I do when you have the DX on top?
Got it.
Are they all zero with the DX on top, like A and B?
All zeros on top?
What does it do if you have a DX on top?
Well, yeah, you can have a DX without having an E. Oh, that's like 1 over.
I don't know.
That DX is your back.
So it's all 1 equals or what?
It's all 1 equal, yeah.
This one. Or this one.
Why did
And
you
this
do
one.
that?
Or this one. That one comes here. Plug the two. Do I show you?
Oh, they're cool.
There's that one. Mr. Hill doesn't want me to do forces, and I like this. Well, look how cute that is. Sorry, that's random. But I saw these ones on Pinterest. It wants me to do something really outrageous. Did I show you those?
What outrageous.
I swore I showed you these. I don't know. Who I thought I showed these to.
I haven't seen the horses. You might have showed me something else, but
Maybe I did. I don't know. I just pretty sure I showed it maybe.
so define outrageous.
I'll show you. Oh, just something out of my comfort
Oh,
zone. Like that peacock
okay.
or just thing. Just thing.
Okay.
I just don't know where I would put it in my house. I like to keep my outdoors, and that's just not my little.
Well, okay. Can you do something, okay, not necessarily horses, you tend to like western stuff. Can you do horse, like saddle and,
I like that one. But he still wants me to go out of my box. And, I mean, if I was trying to come up and do the chickens, but I guess if that doesn't work, then I'll resort to something like maybe like that. That's a little bit better, at least if I have a bathroom. It was actually pretty good company.
you could do a fractal.
That I could.
That was, I had my computer up last night doing photo editing, and I had the fractal image on the internet, and then apply some of the effects of the texture to it, and I was going, what's a fractal?
So next year, if there's supposed to be something in happening, it's not gonna be.
You have, these are those stereograms, you have to stare at them, but you have to stare at what, you have to make your eyes relax.
You have to like look at your reflection.
I've heard that one, some people can do it, I can do it right before, up close and back up, and you just let your eyes zone out, don't fright, you just have to.
I can't do it though. Dale Overlay has one. What's in this one?
I like printers. I can't really get on one kind of like go like.
I've never seen
I
anything.
don't understand.
It'll print any
Fun
one
stuff.
page, you can also, you can drag them all over creation, now, if you do have one thing you can just, you can just be print.
I feel like I moved your
All the
cross.
details you want color, all the definitions you're supposed to use in color, all the problems you're supposed to use
I
in color.
thought that was supposed to be like
Spaced out.
If you tell me what
So that you can
they
tell,
are,
it's like, you didn't do it nice and orderly, but some people have theirs all big. So that way you know purple is all you
Are
got.
these infinity signs?
And then.
You're not looking at that design,
I'm not.
you're not looking for that, and where's the,
If you tell me what it is, I'll find it.
let me find
I
it.
can't like go off. Like,
This looks big.
really, in this office, and it says diamond food. And it's like the door, and it says diamond food, and there's like a mountain.
Right here. Okay, so, like, this one with all these kids' faces, is that, you actually see the world,
Yeah,
when
let's
you
see if
zoom
I
out.
can see it.
See that picture of the world. If you look at the one up there with all the little teddy bears, when you zoom out, then you get the big teddy bears, the football ones, and you get, yeah.
How about this one? Is it just a circle here?
Yeah, well, it's not that circle here, it's this circle here, this one. What you're seeing right now is not it here.
That just makes my eyes hurt.
I have to
I
do
can't
it.
do it.
Not right now. You have to stare at it a while and let yourself unfocus. I think it is zoning out. You let your eyes just relax, and then the 3D image starts to blow out at you, but it's not something you just do easily. You have to, I can do it best if I start up close and then slowly back away. And don't let my eyes focus. I just let it stay blurry on the image, and then the 3D starts to pop out at me.
Right.
It's also hard to go under pressure, but people stand and watch me.
Do like print, this little print.
It'll print the whole page, yeah. It'll just do it. The pictures on, landscape.
Oh, hey, Howie.
It was on my computer.
Okay.
Alright.
And print right there to that printer, it'll say yeah. Once you get one and you learn how to do it, you can get
I've
it.
never learned how to do it.
The big ones I think are better quality than these flat ones that came off the calendar. I think they're harder to get.
You shotgun? You got done.
I got 3 pages.
What I got. I thought you were starting another day, and I was like, this world right here is dead.
Oh, I did.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, like see through the picture.
Yeah, you can't focus on the images that are in the picture. You just have to blur it out.
Yeah, see through it.
What is this one? A bear?
The bears is there's a tall bear, a medium bear, and a short bear sitting around a basket.
I'm getting old.
That's fine, don't worry, I got it done.
Yeah, I didn't run it for you.
Alright, you can clear it up.
Monday?
No, talk fast. It's mine, it's mine, it's mine.
It's like here.
Who's what?
It's mine.
Yep.
With Harry, and then we play Rockville on Thursday.
Yeah.
It's mine.
There you go.
Yeah, do it right over.
Yeah.
I got.
You really need to skip the last one. Yeah, you wanna do that.
They didn't get done. Trade conditions of the.
We learned today, it's probability when you have a.
Hey Megan, I saw you doing bowling.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
What?
Yeah.
Just didn't like the video?
No, I hate it.
Why?
Carol doesn't like to have baby dogs.
Why? Why don't you like it?
Matthew agrees with me.
No fat.
Right?
They're like on the floor like crying, and then she walks in like,
And you're having.
everybody's good.
Oh, okay, that's right. You're trying to get them to donate?
Everyone's doing good out there, that's a good deal.
Next week is really our whole week. Yeah. Next week is really the last week. That you decided.
Next week's the last full week.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring my fishing pole. Because then I got swim tickets too, on that Friday. I gotta go play. Next week's the last full week of free playing, Dylan. We're gonna congratulate, we're gonna have fun. What? Corn. You know what? Oh, yeah.
You don't can't. No one can be so sick. I think they're 3 or 4. Some people even get them machines that like just about crowd design. Like pull it and shake it.
I just go down to
Well, like they have, okay.
and they let me use it. I mean, sometimes they're weary about letting people use it, but if they know you well enough, yeah, they'll relax.
Where's mine? After this semester exam, working on the newspaper until the end of the school year?
No. You're working on the newspaper for 2 days of class.
Okay.
You will, I will have to look at my list.
Cause I don't see how we have a test.
You won't have another test. You'll do whatever homework we do before you leave. So
Okay.
you'll have 1 or 2 assignments on trig. I don't remember what exactly.
Before the senior class day.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty definitely sounds like that.